Mukha bang mahirap? Madali lang yan. So 2 raised to 56 plus 2 raised to 62 raised to 0 over 64 is equal to 8 raised to x. And kailangan nating hanapin si x. So sa rules of exponents, meron tayong tinatawag na zero exponent rule, kung saan ang any non-zero number daw na naka-raise sa 0 is equals to 1. So in this problem, pwede na nating i-cancel to. Since 2 raised to 56 plus 2 raised to 62, kapag pinag-add natin yan is magiging number lang din. And then naka-raise pa rin sila sa 0. So 1 pa rin yung sagot dyan. So magiging 1 na lang to. So 1 over 64 is equal to 8 raised to x. And then next step is kailangan meron tayo magkaparehas na base para makuha natin si x. So, ang 64 is same lang siya ng 2 raised to 6. And then, yung 8 naman is katulad lang siya ng 2 raised to 3. And then, multiply natin, copy natin si x. So, ginawa natin ganyan para nang sa ganun is magkaroon tayo ng parehas na base. Ngayon, meron na tayong parehas na 2 na base. Ang kaso, yung isa naka-fraction pa rin. So, ang gagawin natin is re-reciprocal lang natin yan. So, magiging kapag binaligtad, magiging 2. And then, magiging negative si exponent. So, magiging negative 6. So, 2 raised to negative 6. And then, dito naman sa kabila, kapag nakakita tayo ng ganito na number na naka-raise sa any number tapos naka-raise pa ulit, is ipag-multiply lang natin yung dalawang exponent. So, 2, 3 times x is 3x. So, magiging 2 raised to 3x. And then, since meron na tayong magkaparehas na base, pwede na nating i-equate yung dalawang exponent. So, negative 6 is equal to 3x. Ngayon, para ma-isolate si x, is kailangan nating i-divide both sides by 3. And then, ang magiging sagot is x is equals to 6 over 3. Negative 6 over 3 is negative 2. So, ayun na yung sagot.